Welcome. I'm Jason Sprinkle. This is Dr. Bob Eby. We wanted to talk to you about how your district school of ministry is going to be maybe a little bit different in these hermeneutics, homiletics, and preaching in a contemporary world classes. We recognize that we're asking you to do a little extra work for these three classes. The bulk of the teaching material will be through the reading, through the videos that we're asking you to watch. The study guide and test material is going to come from both the book and the videos. Here's the big advantage. When we come together in person, we're going to be able to use that time as a practical lab to experience hands-on the study of a passage or shaping a sermon or learning fresh ways to communicate the message. These times will be enriching to you, and we want to encourage you that the extra effort will be worth it.
Absolutely. And I think that's what I just want to cast the vision for here. Sometimes there is this feeling that, well, we're asking too much reading or that this is too much study. But I just want to encourage you. You are embarking in a journey to preparation for ministry. You're not just trying to get credentials or a certificate. What you're trying to do is prepare for a lifetime of effective ministry. Even the earliest moments in the church, the apostles said they were going to give themselves to prayer and the ministry of the word. We find the Apostle Paul near the end of his life encouraging Timothy with these words, study to show yourself approved. And so the reality, what we're calling you to is to the corollary calling to ministry is a calling to study, to diligence. We live in challenging days, and the attacks on the gospel are significant, both culturally and intellectually and spiritually and morally. You need to be prepared, and there's no place you need to be better prepared than in how you engage with God's word and communicate it to others.
So you should be receiving a hard copy of the workbook, which you can use to follow along with the videos. We recommend that you do the independent work, and when we come together in person, we'll do the group work together.
You're going to get hands-on learning to actually not learn theory about hermeneutics, but actually take apart texts and understand them better. Same thing with homiletics, actually shaping the way you preach, hands-on, real-life experience, even in the group that you meet with.
Give it a chance. This extra work, this extra effort really will pay off.
Absolutely.
You'll enjoy this as you invest in it.